Hello students, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. It's my pleasure to be a founder of the Evershine Coaching Center and help all my fellow and deserving students. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I have started the test series. Again I am repeating, from today I have started the test series for the respective subjects of class 10th Karnataka State Board. Children, here I'll be updating the number of questions. I just request you all kindly follow these questions and try to solve once. I'm not saying only you have to stick with these questions. Please continue with the preparation what you are doing earlier. Along with that, I request you all to focus on these questions, as these questions are very much effective and also it makes you to lead a very good result. Okay, so as you can see, this is Mathematics Evershine Test Series 2021, Karnataka State Board Day 1 for class 10th SSLC Mathematics. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and also ask your other friends to follow our channel and subscribe and click the bell icon. And after completion of this video, if you like this class, click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all classmates and also ask them to solve these questions. As you can see here, the questions are: number 1, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. My dear students, you have to make sure that this is state is nothing but you should write the statement, and also you have to prove this theorem. Number 2, construct a triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Number 3, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm which are inclined, it is not inclined, that is inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree, and write the measure of its length. Solve graphically. You have to draw the graph for these two equations. The first equation is 2x plus y is equals to 10, and the second equation is x plus y is equals to 6. And next, come back to the fifth question. Draw a more than type ogive for the given data. Here you can see they have given the production yield in kg or hectare and they have given the cumulative frequency. My dear students, I just tell you people that kindly check the given table and try to solve the problem. Since we have two methods, I have already earlier I have said you that let it be less than type or more than type, we have two types of tables. Okay, but here you can see this is one type, more than or equal to 50, more than or equal to 55, and so on till 75, and they have given the cumulative frequency as 100, 98, 90, 78, 54, 16. Okay, so kindly understand the question and try to find the solution for this. Find the mode of the frequency distribution given below. You have to find the mode, okay, by using this table. Next, number 7, discuss the nature of the roots. They are asking you to discuss the nature of the roots. You have to draw the table in which you have to tell what is the nature. Okay, I mean to say, if delta, that is discriminant, if delta is equals to 0, what is the nature? If delta is greater than 0, what is the nature? If delta is less than 0, then what is the nature? Here delta is nothing but discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. It means if the value of b square minus 4ac, that is called as delta. Sometimes we also call that as d. Let it be small letter d or capital letter D, that is called as discriminant. Okay, if the discriminant, that is nothing but delta. If it is 0, greater than 0, less than 0, you have to write this in one side, you have to write the discriminant condition, and the other hand you have to write the nature of its roots. Okay, so you have, that is what called as discuss the nature of the roots. Next, find the 25th term of an arithmetic progression 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on. Okay, you have to find the 25th term. Then solve by using formula. You have to use the quadratic formula and you have to solve this equation. Number 10, find the distance between the coordinates of the points a of 2 comma 3 and b of 10 comma minus 3. Okay, so these are the 10 questions for today's class, today's session. Please kindly follow this channel and also solve the questions whatever we are going to upload here. Okay, so I hope this video is very much helpful for you all and it is very much benefited. Okay, and my dear students, I just like to tell one thing. Since the time is less for your board exams, okay, don't think or plan the exams may get cancelled. Let it be whatever it happens, it's our faith, we can't do anything for that, but ultimately the final day you should not regret. So I request you all, focus on your studies, start your preparation, and later on we see the judgment what it happens, but we should not lose our interest and concentration. Okay, that is what I just like to tell you all. Please focus on your studies and start your preparation. Keep in touch with the subject. Hope the concept is clear for you all. Is this clear? Good. And please kindly don't ask me to give me the solutions for any questions of the test series, since the time is very less even for me. Even I do have got much commitments, but even though I have come up with these topics and I'm making the videos, I'm just making the materials from my coaching center materials I'm projecting here, and also I do have got much commitments. Okay, inshallah, if possible, I will try to find the solutions only for the specific questions which you ask me. Only a specific questions I can give you the solutions, because I can see in the comment section most of the students will be asking the solutions even for the questions what I am projecting here. So I do request you all, please try to find the solution from your end. Take the help of your teachers, your friends, and you can find the solutions. Okay, it's my duty, I have to give the questions, I have to make you people to prepare for the exam, and that is what I am doing here. Okay, so I request you all, please kindly try to find the solutions from your end. Okay, if you want the PDF of this video, in the below description I'll give the link of this PDF. Okay, of this video PDF. Okay, I mean to say the link of this video, you can just download it from there. And in my next class I'm going to come with test series of science. Thank you, keep watching. If you like this class, click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends. Thank you, take care, bye bye.